Hi, I'm Shannon Rollings with Shannon Rollings Real Estate, and today I want to share with you 5 kitchen design items that may inspire you. I recently went out of town for several days, came home only to find that my refrigerator had gone out. The freezer had defrosted, all the ice cubes turned to water, and was all over my hardwood floors. So now not only do I have to refinish my hardwood floors and replace a refrigerator that was, by the way, a built-in custom-sized refrigerator, and it was a black one. My appliances are dated, so should I take the opportunity now to just renovate my kitchen? Well, in doing some research, I have found in 2021 there are some kitchen trends that might inspire you, and you might want to take into consideration whether you're buying a new home or renovating your current one. The first one is smart appliances. It's amazing all the smart appliances out there, from ovens to refrigerators, dishwashers, even things as simple as your faucet, being able to turn it on without touching it and not spreading any germs to any surfaces is a great thing. Another item is having a bold decor statement item, perhaps like your island or a hood that is really the focal point of your kitchen. The third is visible organization. Whether you have some floating shelves that displays your dishware or some nice baskets, and even color-coordinated pantries are very trendy right now. Large islands. Islands have always been popular, but they have become even more popular and even larger now. The last item is stone and tile. That's not only used just on the countertops anymore. We're seeing it on the backsplashes, down the side of the cabinets, and even on the floor, bold tile. So take a look at all of those items and see if any of those things inspire you to renovate or update your kitchen. If you need ideas about what you should and shouldn't do to your house, if you're getting ready to think about selling it, give me a call. I'd be glad to stop by and help give you some guidance as to what things make sense to do in order for you to get top dollar, and what not to do because it may just be a waste of your money and you won't retrieve it when selling the house. Now, if I can help you in any way in buying or selling, give us a call. My team and I are on standby 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. We look forward to helping you.